On Friday the 12th of December, we've opened officially our Clean Energy Training Centre. It's been in the works for about 18 months now, so it's really nice to see it come to life and invite people that have helped bring it to life as well into the centre and see it in its final product.
The reason it's so important is that residents, young people, already skilled workers can come and train up in these techniques around housing energy efficiency. And this is key for South Yorkshire because at the moment, lots of these large-scale retrofit jobs bring in workers from outside, and so we're not getting the benefit of those skills and jobs opportunities. So that's why it's really important to have a facility locally.
As we know that the country is moving towards net zero, it's important that we train our students and also our people that are in work at the moment already, and we upskill them in those new technologies that are to come.
I would say it's about the impact that the facilities have educationally. We need to understand why, we need to understand what we've done, the misuse of fossil fuel to date. We can alleviate the problem if we all work together, utilising these facilities which are actually now around the country, working with curriculum, working with leaders, with technical people that can actually train the next workforce is the way to try and get out of the problems that we have caused.
What we've got is the latest technologies in solar thermal, in air source heat pumps, which are really accelerating within domestic buildings. We've got ground source heat pumps. We're working to see where we can use mine water with geothermal energy in the ground to those warehouses where I've got the electric cars, where they get to understand and install car charging points within houses. Everybody that comes on our accelerated training programs will develop the skills that are needed, not just for life, but for a better, brighter future.